In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bullet chart. We're going to use the cheesemaker_student_exercise.twbx file, and we'll begin by working in the tab 3, Q3, sales amount by target. Our objective is to create a bullet chart to show the annual sales by item versus target sales. We begin by selecting sales amount and dragging that to columns. Then, from dimensions, we choose item name and we drag that right to rows. Then we take our sales target and we drag that to the view. From the Show Me menu, we can select Bullet Graph. Now we have a bullet graph, and you can do some formatting, and voila, you have your bullet graph.